Okay, here we go. We're gonna cut some wood. Oh yeah, it's great for firewood. So let's see, I think what we can do now is we can pull the lowering line all the way through, and we'll go ahead and set the lowering line up here on top. And it looks like we're going to clear that branch. So we should be able to cut from the base and drop that way. Go ahead and pull that lowering line all the way through, please. I'll probably cut off this stick here just so it's out of the way. That way it doesn't twist on the way down. Yeah, we could either do that way or we could go with the lean. I think it might be better just to go with the lean, because it's going to be kind of difficult to pull away from there without a device of some sort. But what we could do is pull over there where the tree is, and we can get it to come at an angle. Headache. Yeah. No, that sounds really good for sure.